Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the impact of racial stereotype in popular media and what Hollywood can do to be more inclusive. Popular media is very powerful. It helps shape how we think about race and ethnicity. Media seperti film, acara televisi, dan iklan bisa memengaruhi cara kita memandang orang-orang dari latar belakang yang berbeda-beda. In this presentation, I will explain how racial stereotypes affect individuals and what Hollywood can do to create more inclusive media. Let's begin by looking at how much people consume media. In 2015, the African American spent around 15 hours a day using media. Children aged 8 to 12 watch or use media for about 6 hours per day, and teenagers spend around 9 hours. Itu berarti sebagian besar waktu kita dihabiskan untuk melihat konten media dan ini tentu memengaruhi cara kita berpikir. If people are always exposed to negative portrayals of certain racial group, they might start believing those stereotypes are true even if they are not. Now, let's talk about the negative effect. Studies have shown that too much television can lower self-esteem. It decreases self-esteem for older and black boys, but increases self-esteem for white boys. This shows that media give more positive image for white boys, but not for others. Also, Hollywood often portrays white males as heroes. Meanwhile, people of color are shown as villains, side character, or even sexual object. Misalnya, banyak karakter kulit hitam atau Latin yang digambarkan sebagai penjahat atau orang miskin. Jarang sekali mereka jadi tokoh utama yang kuat dan cerdas. This portrayal can mix how people see themselves and how society treats them. Next, we'll look at how this affects social perception. Media doesn't just entertain, it teaches about people what to think. In community where there is little contact with others, media become their only reference. Kalau mereka hanya melihat gambaran negatif di media, maka mereka akan mempercayai stereotip itu. For example, Latin characters are often linked to crime, unemployment, or immigration problem. Because of this, some people support harsh policies toward this community, even if they never met them in real life. Now, let's look at the problem of inclusion in Hollywood. Even though many people talk about diversity, the truth is Hollywood is still dominated by white men. Most lead role or decision-making positions are held by them. People of color are still underrepresented, but in front of the camera and behind it. Bahkan, jika ada karakter dari ras minoritas, seringkali mereka hanya diberikan peran kecil atau stereotip. This is not true diversity, it just checking a box. So what can Hollywood actually do? First, create accountability structure, such as committees and staff positions focused on inclusion. Second, hire professional recruiters and casting director who are trained in anti-racist practice. Dan ketiga, tetapkan target yang jelas. Jumlah aktor, sutradara, dan kru dari kelompok ras tertentu harus mencerminkan jumlah mereka dalam populasi AS. This step can help create more equal and fair media representation. Now, let's end with the conclusion. Racial stereotypes in the media are not just a story. They affect real people in real life. They lower self-esteem, strengthen bias, and cause unfair treatment in society. Hollywood has a big influence on global culture, so they also have a big responsibility to represent all faiths fairly and equally. Jadi, ayo kita dukung film dan acara yang inklusif dan beragam. Dengan begitu, kita bisa membentuk media yang lebih adil untuk semua orang. I think that's all my presentation about that. Thank you so much for your attention.